Yet another day of Porsche 944 restoration. On today's menu is front seats, rear seats. What is this?
It's the headrest.
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 Okay, same situation as the carpets if you've seen it in episode 1. If not, go check it out. I'll put the link in the thing. We're gonna spray it down with some soap, get it saturated. Use the drill to agitate, and then we suck it up with the vacuum thing. I put some laundry detergent and water in here, and hopefully that's gonna make the seats smell super fresh. Here's a little before and after. Before the clean, after the clean. This does kind of look a little darker, might be because it's wet, but I think it's because it's cleaner. Before we put the rear seats in, they're just gonna seal up this little hole in the bottom of the car with some silicone and This is some good stuff. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that stinks. Oh God, that is disgusting. That smells. Oh, this smells like vomit, dude. No, it smells like vomit. It smells so bad. We moved it to the shade because we get to have a bit more time working on it, scrubbing it before everything dries up. All right, Ralph, sniff test.
I think we need a chemical.
Yeah. All right, so we are going to add some baking soda. So it's dried off and it still stinks. We got the, whatever you call this, sunshade out of the headrest. It wasn't on purpose, it definitely fell out. Now that we have this out, I'm gonna remove all of this extra little plastic. Ralph's gonna continue cleaning the other side of that. That is awful.
What?
Doesn't smell bad though. Motherfucker. Wow, that looks a little bit better. Very nice. Ooh. Well, do you want to put some baking soda and re-scrub? All right, the rear sunshade is as clean as it's gonna get. Stinks. We're gonna leather conditioner it and let's hope for a nice difference.
So today we are going to tackle the seats again. It didn't fully complete it last time, but this time we're going to... Battery's dead again. Kind of worried about it. It's either the battery's bad or the battery's bad. One thing at a time. Seats today.
Very nice. Now put it back up.
There's no locking mechanism, so it kind of just sits
Yeah,
back.
we're missing the locking mechanism, which goes right there. It is the front crankshaft seal. It is leaking oil. So we are gonna take this to the mechanic to get that fixed, but to start, we need to get these seats back in the car. Interesting.
And I think that's making a relay just keep firing because there should be a fuse that cuts it off.
So the reason why we're talking about this is because...
Oh, you were recording?
That wasn't supposed to happen. The car was actually dead, but we had it plugged in and that seemed to solve the problem. So the car runs, but here's the other issue. There are no seats or steering wheel. Amazing. So, if you guys remember from the last episode, we did a full carpet dye. We actually got the rear seats installed, plus the headrest. So great. The only thing left at this point are the front seats. And to get those in, we need to get the masking off. But before then, let's glove up. Anyway, we continued unmasking the rest of the car. After finally dusting the car down a little, we were ready to get the seats in. So now that that's done, all right, it is time to get the rails back on the seats. Ralph is unrusting the seat bolts, just so that we can minimize any chance of further rust. Oh, look who you got in here. Little buddy. Let's see if we can remember what size these are. I think they're 10. I'll just leave this right here and be right back. It's interesting to see how different these chairs are. This one has electrical connectors, whatever this is. I think this is for a seat warmer. And these have like welded on brackets and none of what we just showed. Really strange. So because of the poor welding, we're gonna have to drill out just a lower hole on here just so that we can screw in the bolt. Yeah, okay. Amazing.
We're really tightening it up.
I mean, now we're gonna see if it's even gonna go in.
Go in, yeah. And this one, it is 16 inches. The front is also 16 inches. So measure that distance from the actual slots and also the rails on the seat. And if it matches, then it'll go in, hopefully. It didn't go in. So I'm just gonna measure this, see if it's actually 16 by 16. Make sure it is, and then put it back in. Hopefully that'll work. So it technically does match up, but like it's just not going in. So I might need to just brute force my way through it. So I need it to be more this way. But this, I think I can just drill a little bit so it's easier to put it in. That is good to go. And after all of that work, we finally get to the result, which is a fully installed and completed seat system. This is what the rear seats look like. And over there is the headrest. We managed to fix the pulley system. It still smells like absolute trash, but the headrest does and allows for more storage space in the back. That is the end of this video. Don't worry though, we won't be gone for another 2 months, I think. We have a lot of videos cooking. We are going to get it out as quick as possible. And I'll leave you guys with a little sneak peek. Here is, look at that, look at that. It's like a mirror. Here's a little before, after. That's gonna be taking up a lot of my time. It is gonna be good. So hopefully you guys see that soon. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and bye-bye, PewDiePie!